Bumpity bump bump bumpity bump bump. Look at that Yaki curl. I'm serving mocha spice and everything nice. Hello. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this very easy, beginner-friendly, glueless wig install, she look good. She look good. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their pre-cut bye-bye knots unit. I have the Yaki straight and reddish brown in 20 inches. Now, as far as the bye-bye knots are concerned, on some of these wigs, especially like the fast fashion brands or the brands that I consider to be fast fashion, they're not really coming off as pre-bleached or bleached as they are tiny. Rewind that so you understand. I can still see those knots on my unit, but they are super tiny on the unit, so they should blend really well under my products. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder to tint my lace. That's what that looks like. I don't like using a lace tint because it's too messy for me, but if you like using it, then by all means, do your thing. Make sure I get around the edge of that lace, because that is the ashy part. Even though I'm not washing my wig in this video, make sure you wash your wig. That's why I got my cap on. I gotta protect what I got left. Have that barrier between this dirty wig and my head. And I don't mean dirty like it stank. It doesn't have a strong chemical smell. I just mean dirty from like all the processing and chemicals and stuff like that. You don't want to have all that on your natural hair. Let me get it around here like this. She is fitting down pretty comfortably. I would say it will probably get a little tight after a while, so I will need to loosen up my elastic band in the back. Y'all can see it doesn't come all the way down to my ear tabs, but this is a closure wig. Closure wigs normally stop right above the ear, and you don't get the lace all the way to your ear either. It stops normally at a 4x4, a 5x5, a 7x5, 7x6.5, all that kind of stuff, okay? Closure wigs do not give you the lace all the way from ear to ear. So before you start complaining about how the lace doesn't come all the way down to your ear, I just told you, okay? It's a closure wig. When I'm pulling this, it's like I can hear the hair breaking. Am I pulling the hair out? I am. Be careful when you're pulling on this wig, because I'm snapping the daggone hair off. Oopsie. I don't know if I'm gonna do a bunch of like swishies on this one. I kind of like how this is giving me that natural from the root look. I'm getting some snags in here. That's new. It is a thick texture, but you will need to blow this hair out because it does feel a little brittle. I can feel it breaking through my fingers a little bit, and I don't want to have a bunch of split ends. Before I blow dry this, I'm actually going to use some grease on this hair just to kind of condition it a bit, because again, I did not wash my wig, but I do suggest you wash yours and do a heavy conditioning as well, just to kind of help the softness of this unit. They sent me some clips, so let me go ahead and clip my hair back using my Nairobi mousse around my hairline, 2 pumps on each side. They sent me all the brushes but the one that I need, so I'm just going to use this one right here. The mousse will help you mold your hairline. I feel like this piece right here can go. Let's pull this out. Oh, that came out very easily. Uh-oh, those knots are real tiny, so be careful. They sent me a band. Where is it? I don't know how you fell all the way over there. Let me clip this up so I can get my band on. Make sure my edges are even. Is that how much forehead I want showing? Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna get my blow dryer brush and I'm gonna blow dry it on low to sleek it out. Makeup is done. Let me fix my part before I move on. I'm gonna use my Hair Fetish Knot Eraser. Use this color right here in the middle. Hopefully I don't mess this up. For this knot eraser, it's actually better to use it under the lace, but I've always used it on top just because, you know, I like being different. Use a little bit of the darkest shade. That's good for now until I take it off. They plucked this part out. I didn't do that at all. So let me take off the band. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, cute, 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 cute. Use a little bit of my contour shade on my brush, but I'm gonna wipe some of that off. bring it around the hairline. It did melt pretty good, so I like that. Okay, Nadula. Nadula, you really coming through with these pre-cut joints, I must say. Take my clips off. They did send me 2 brushes. I don't know if everyone gets this or you gotta pay for it, but this is free, then, you know, thanks Nadula. I'm gonna use the bristle one to comb out the hair. Bring that to the back. Let me not pull my wig off. I'm gonna use my Tresemme hairspray. I just wanna make sure this is lifted the way I want. Hold it up. Use my clips to hold this back in place again. And then, before I finish, I'll add a little bump to the ends of my wig. Bumpity bump bump, bumpity bump bump. Look at that Yaki curl. This hair is a lot stiffer than I would like it to be. I didn't burn my daggone finger. Golly. And they're gonna be doing too much blowing in the wind. Don't have your flat iron up too high. You don't need all that. Brush it out. Take these off. Bring this forward. Bump it out like that. Get a little heat right here. Like so. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. What we think? I know we look good. I know. Now, it may not feel the best, so definitely condition this one. But the rest of the wig, I like it. The hairline looks good. The lace melted really nicely. The knots are real tiny, so you can blend those. And the color is gorgeous. I know I love me a reddish, brown, auburn, burgundy. All them colors in that family, I like it on me. So if you want to step into a colored wig and blonde is just not in your ministry, go ahead and try out the reddish brown. It's a definite step down from auburn. It's not as red. It has more of that black brown mixture into it, so you can definitely get away with adding some color to your arsenal of wigs without going too far outside of your comfort zone. I could definitely blend my lace a little bit better than that. Hold up, let me see. It's just real ashy looking. Leave it alone, Kai. Leave it alone. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. We'll put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.